Okay, so this is the rat dissection. We're gonna talk about personal protection first before you open the rat up. You gotta wear gloves for one. I have closed-toed shoes, long pants, hair up, and safety goggles. And then there's absolutely no eating or drinking inside the lab whatsoever. Um, for tools for dissection, you're going to use them properly. And then when you have waste, for example, you're going to put them in the hazardous waste bin. Gloves can be thrown away in trash. Tools and trays are going to be cleaned in the sink. And then you got to cut away from yourself when you're opening the rat. And you got to handle with care.
So it's important to handle specimens respectfully because they were once living and they are for educational purposes. We use as few organisms as possible because they do have to be killed for us to use them. So we reuse specimens such as the rats for multiple labs.
Okay, we're gonna start with the female dissecting or the dissected female rat here. First, we're gonna point out the kidneys, which are right here in this female specimen. There's also another set of kidneys right here. Then we're going to go to the urinary bladder on this female, which is located right over here above the vagina, which is right here. In this specimen, we also have these ovaries, which are located right over here above the fallopian tubes. Also, this rat right here, you can see the uterus is a V-shaped uterus. On our particular specimen, ours is pregnant, and you can see the embryo sacs or parts in the uterus where they are being impregnated. So next, we're going to go to the male rat.
For the male rat, we're gonna start identifying the ureter that is right here below the kidneys. After that, you can see that over here are the testes. Underneath the testes is the epididymis. Right here. The vas deferens, which is below and on top of the testes, is right here. Little tube right here. The prostate gland is right below the bladder, which the prostate gland right here. Here's the bladder up on top. The seminal vesicles are right here on top. These two little things, and the penis, which is right here. You can see it. We cut it off a little bit of it, but you can see it here. Okay, so now we're going to identify the functions of each body part. So the testes, they produce sperm and hormones. The epididymis, it stores sperm. The vas deferens transports sperm from the testes to the urethra.
The prostate and seminal vesicles secrete hormones and produce the fluid that composes semen, and the penis has reproductive purposes.
The urethra is just a transport vessel that takes the sperm or anything out of the body. The urinary bladder holds urine or waste, liquid waste, and the ureter is the site where embryos develop, or that's actually the uterus. That's where the embryos develop and reproduction takes place. And that's it.
So then the ovaries is the site where follicles develop eggs, and then kidneys filter toxins out of the blood. The fallopian tube connects the ovaries to the uterus, and then the vagina connects the external environment to the uterus.
The ureter transports waste and toxins from the bladder.